What's up, y'all? Kaizen here, and I'm just gonna be documenting my trading today. I know I haven't been doing many videos, but it's simply because I haven't been caring to document my trading, and I do better the less I document my trading. But anyways, got in on a quick trade today. I wasn't really feeling my best, um, and yeah, I just wasn't feeling my best. I wasn't as focused. I felt like mentally fatigued. So I traded on the 8:30 open. As you can see, I kind of put on the orders of when I take certain trades. So that way, when I journal my trades, I don't have to freaking look for exactly where I was at. So I just took a trade from 239. I actually got in this late. I was supposed to get in around 250, 25, 250. But I got in late because I had stop orders on here instead of market orders. But I got in at 239, and then I got out at 224. So it was a quick scalp because I thought we was gonna reject here. We ended up breaking it, coming up, and then we went back to this level and sold off. But by this time, I had already locked out my account and closed the trade, the charts. Um, we took a payout the other day, as you can see in the Gmails above. But here's my performance stats: 80% win rate, average loss to win ratio 0.9. This because I took like a $300 or $400 loss or whatever one day. But it kind of messed me up. Profit factor 3.6. And if I go down, here's how I've been trading recently. Another thing, uh, I kind of went back to doing what I would normally do, where I would enter in on a mini contract because I kind of want to test the market and see where it goes. Because sometimes, especially on NQ, it can wick up and down over and over again. So I kind of throw out one contract, maybe two contracts to see where it goes, and then out once I see the markets moving with volume and momentum, and we were rejecting a certain area, I would get in for one contract of NQ. And we were already in a downtrend, so I had the bias to sell, even though the overall, if I could reset this time frame, I did not mean to do that. The overall time frame, it was still in the uptrend, but right now we've been selling off or whatever. Also, I was given a free account. So as you can see here, it says leader. So now I have two accounts. So I have two accounts that made 380 today. This is because on, I believe it was Monday. Monday there was an outage, or Tuesday. Was it Tuesday or Monday? I think it was Monday. Yeah, I think it was Monday. They had an outage on Amazon Web Services on the East Coast. Obviously, Topstep is based off the East Coast in Chicago. So it all went down. So they gave us a free Topstep Express account if they gave you a free Express account if you already had one, and then they reset combines uh, and profitable wins and losses on that day. I think it's kind of messed up that they reset the actual wins on the day for the people who stayed patient and traded later that day. But they did reset wins, but they still made it up in a sense to all the traders, which is good, which I didn't expect them to do, honestly. I actually still traded on that day because all I needed was a fifth day to. Was it this one? Was it this one? No. I don't know what day it was. It was Monday. Yeah, it had to be Monday. I waited on Monday. Yeah, Monday was the day the web services went out. So I waited on Monday till 2 p.m. Topstep was shut down for like, from what I know, from 8 a.m. to all the way to like 2 p.m. Other people say it was shut down way earlier because everything crashed or whatever. But I needed to make like 150 or whatever. I ended up making like 200 or whatever, and quickly took a payout. So I appreciate them for doing that. Here's proof of it. Blah blah blah. I don't even need to show you guys these things. But here's just proof for the people who want to see you doubters or whatever. You're gonna have haters regardless. Anyways, and then they sent me 1400, 1450 or whatever. But that's it for the video, pretty much. I'm gonna try to keep this channel more trading related and then talk about like more stuff I'm interested on. My philosophy mindset channel, and then if you want to join my gaming channel, because I'm gonna be gaming because I've been playing Battlefield 6 a lot. Just type in Kaizen Doom Gaming and I should pop up. It's a small channel, but I need more people to game with. That's it for the video. See you guys next time. Peace.